Told you I'd be back. St. Mary's Glacier is, well, it's right there. See, that's where we snowboarded down. If you missed it, I just recently hiked up here with my buddy Jonathan Buckhouse, and we did a snowboarding video where we brought the Mavic Air 2, and I wasn't able to carry the DJI FPV drone with me as well as the Air 2. I really wanted to compare the footage of a regular camera drone and the FPV drone, and that's what we're gonna do here in this video. So I will make sure to mark it which drone you're watching whenever I'm showing it on the screen here in just a moment. So make sure you pay attention to that, and you can sort of see which one captures the feel that you would prefer if you're on the fence on getting an FPV type drone versus a regular camera drone. With the DJI FPV drone, you can actually adjust the expo and rates, which lets you sort of dial in how quickly it flips or yaws and spins around and all that kind of fun stuff. And I have been playing with those a little bit more lately. So if you're interested in that, I'm going to be putting together a video of my findings of a few different rates that I've been experimenting with to try to get what I need in these kind of settings. So let's go ahead and get this thing in the air and see how it looks. I'm at the point now with the DJI FPV drone that I pretty much always fly in manual, taking off in manual. I do put it in normal or sports mode to land it because I like to pull the goggles up and hand catch it, and I wouldn't want to hand catch it in manual with the goggles down. Not saying someone out there couldn't, but I'm not about to do that. I found with this wind today, I really had to angle the camera like at 35, 40 to be able to fly against the wind and really dive these mountains the way that I wanted to, where normally I'm flying at an angle on the camera at 12 to 25. The importance of the angle of the camera is because when the drone is pitched like this, you can actually have it pitched more and still see the horizon, so you're able to fly faster, dive differently, and it just gives it different flight characteristics. If the camera is down more, the drone has to be more like so, which makes you fly slower, and just it's a totally different feeling when you fly. The cool thing about the DJI FPV drone compared to like a regular typical FPV drone is you can change that angle on the remote while you're in the air. Now, I want to know what you guys thought of that footage. I am getting better and better at manual. I'm trying to get smoother and smoother. I don't care so much about doing flips and rolls. I'm trying to really just get it so that it's a nice, smooth, cinematic look, flying around the mountains, going up and down them, and just sort of dive bombing them. But it will be interesting to see how that stacks up compared to the Air 2 footage that I got the other day when we were here snowboarding. So let's go ahead and roll that footage and talk about that in just a second. can see, they both fly completely different. Your camera drone is going to be a slower, more, I hate to say cinematic, because you can really make either one of them cinematic depending on your music choice, color grading, and just the way you fly it. The camera drone is going to just be a completely different feel. So if you're curious which one you're interested in, hopefully this video, this side-by-side showing the two different things in the exact same location, helps you sort of work through your head on which look you're actually hoping for. And once you figure that out, then you can actually go in and find videos to help you learn how to fly whichever one you chose to get. If you are enjoying this kind of content, make sure you check the description below for the link to my Etsy store where you can pick up your own custom drawn stickers, t-shirts, and all kinds of other swag to help show your support for the channel. And when you do, make sure to tag me on Instagram or Twitter at that link right there, and I'll be sure to share your picture in an upcoming video. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification so you don't miss the next one, and let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see more of, the DJI FPV or the Mavic Air 2, or just more GoPro footage or mountain hikes like the snowboarding Glacier video that we did. Whatever you want to see, let me know in the comments below so I know what kind of stuff you're hoping to see in the next videos. And I'm going to be pumping out some new stuff soon, so stay tuned and we'll see you in the next one.
One day soon.